What up, witches? A while back, we totally renovated our entryway. We did a whole video on it, but you know, your girl always felt like it wasn't actually complete. I also came to find later that there were things I still wanted to change, so here is round 2 of our entryway. Enjoy. I will link the previous video in the description box for those of you who are curious. The neighbors said they just knocked ours out, so we're gonna try to do it too. That's really wobbly. Yeah, just kidding. I was not expecting that. Wow. Wow.
Fix it.
No. No. You
want to see something cool?
Oh my god, that was really cool. Did you get him doing that?
So you can like kick it, you can punch it, whatever you want to do.
I'm so sorry. Okay, I'm done.
Wow.
She's like, that's so weird. It's so open! Oh my god! I love it!
That was a lot easier than I thought. After Michael KO'd the banister, we needed to get supplies to replace the baseboards, repair the stair nose, and a few other things, so we headed over to Home Depot. Thank you for driving exactly in front of the freaking Home Depot sign. Did you do that on purpose?
The snow is falling down. I've been longing for this Christmas when everyone's around to share this holiday.
You guys tend to see a lot of me in these videos, but when it comes to working on the house, Michael really deserves the credit. He does all the complicated tasks because I am only capable of doing the simple stuff like painting, spackling, sanding, cleaning, that kind of stuff. My man, he's so smart. He just doesn't have a lot of patience. Love you, babe, but he truly is the mastermind of the more difficult side of all these videos. Such a clean toolbox area. Looks so good, baby.
All the stars shine much brighter. Or is it just your eyes that have lit something in me? See you coming closer from across the room. My heart is pounding really fast. I don't know what to do. Could we find love in this winter wonderland?
The showstopper here is definitely the door. These are original to the house. They needed some TLC, and the door sweep really needed replacing too because it was so old, and not to mention there was a small hole in it that was letting snakes into our house. I went with a more modern color for this door. To me, black is nice, neutral, and classy. Michael's dad, on the other hand, thinks it's low-key demonic, but you know, majority of us love it, so it's okay, especially with the new gold hardware and kickplate. I ordered this 3D faux brick wallpaper from Amazon. I felt like this wall was so empty and needed a little something. They do come in pieces. I cut mine just to make them blend more naturally, but you can just stick them on as is if you like. I also ended up painting them with flat white paint too to make them look more real. then just finished it out with a top trim piece. All that was missing in here now were some furniture pieces, so here's some IKEA shenanigans with my sister in the next clip. What up, witches? Waiting for my sister, and Julian's back there because we're about to go to IKEA and do some shopping. Marlene, say hi. Hello. Oh, did you pay the water bill?
Nope.
What? It's not. You didn't pay the water bill?
Sorry.
Well, how the hell am I gonna wash these dishes?
Welcome to Carolyn's kitchen tour / dining room table. Today she'll show you her first reactions after purchasing her new table. When IKEA gives you a free gym membership with the purchase of $500 worth of furniture.
Scandinavians are so skinny.
Shut up!
I'm no longer driving.
I packed that.
Okay, if you guys have been watching me a while, you know I fail at building furniture, but you know, this time around, I am very proud. I did build the shoe cabinet and also the bench shoe rack in the entryway. So, you know, I did that. And I'll link all the furniture below for you guys. I actually made these wreaths from an old edition of Harry Potter. It is Order of the Phoenix, in case you were wondering. If you guys want me to film a tutorial on how to make these, let me know in the comments. Here is the finished look. I am actually happy with it this time. Well, currently I am. I may change my mind again, who knows. Let me know in the comments if you liked the first look of the entryway better or if you like the current better. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you will know right away when new videos come out. Thanks for watching. Bye. Google. Change the lights to cool white. You only did half. You're ruining my video.